Create a positive mindset. The key to changing your life is having a positive mindset. This means focusing on the good in every situation and being grateful for what you have. Start each day with positive affirmations and focus on your strengths and abilities. Set clear goals. The first step in changing your life is to set specific, measurable, and achievable goals. Write down what you want to achieve and when you want to achieve it. Make sure your goals are realistic, but also challenge yourself to push your limits. Create a plan. Once you have set your goals, create a plan to achieve them. Break your goals into smaller, more manageable steps and assign deadlines to each step. Having a clear plan will give you a roadmap to follow and help you stay focused. Find support. Changing your life can be a difficult journey, and it's important to have support along the way. Find a friend or family member who will support you and encourage you to keep going. Consider joining a support group or hiring a coach who can help you stay on track and hold you accountable. Surround yourself with positive influences. Surrounding yourself with positive, supportive people can have a profound impact on your life. Seek out individuals who are successful in areas where you want to improve and learn from them. Practice self-care. Taking care of your physical and mental health is essential for leading a happy and fulfilling life. Make time for exercise, healthy eating, and activities that bring you joy. Be proactive. Don't wait for opportunities to come to you. Create them. Take action and be proactive in pursuing your goals. This can include networking, trying new things, and taking calculated risks. Embrace change. Change can be difficult, but it is also an opportunity for growth. Embrace change and see it as a chance to learn and improve. Stay accountable. One of the biggest challenges of changing your life is staying accountable. This means being honest with yourself and others about your progress and being willing to accept feedback. Use a journal or a planner to track your progress and reflect on your progress regularly. Stay focused and persistent. Changing your life takes time, effort, and perseverance. Stay focused on your goals and don't let setbacks discourage you. Celebrate your successes. Celebrating your successes, no matter how small they might be, can help keep you motivated. Acknowledge your progress and take time to reflect on how far you have come. Be flexible. Change is not easy, and it can take time to see results. Be patient and don't give up if you don't see immediate results. It's important to adjust your approach if something isn't working and be open to trying new things. In conclusion, changing your life is a journey that requires dedication, hard work, and a positive mindset. By setting clear goals, creating a plan, surrounding yourself with positive influences, practicing self-care, being proactive, embracing change, staying focused, celebrating your success, and being flexible, you can achieve the life you want and deserve. Remember, success is not overnight, but with persistence and determination, you can achieve anything you set your mind to.